Hello, my dear student. In this question, it is mentioned consider the following three relation in a relational database. There are three relation: employee, in which employee ID and employee name, brand ID and brand name, and own employee ID and brand ID. Which of the following relational algebra expression return the set of employee ID who own all the brands? So these are the option. Option A, employee ID brand ID from own relation divided by brand ID from brand, and you fetch employee ID. Second one is what? Employee ID from own, brand ID from brand, minus employee ID brand ID from own relation, then you fetch employee ID. That employee ID will be subtract from own. Third one, here you can see employee ID brand ID from own relation and divided by brand ID from own. In the third also it is expansion of this one. So my dear student, you can see, first of all, you know what is the expansion of division operator. Pi AB from R divided by pi B from S. In general we can write in this form. तो कैसे लिखते हैं बच्चा? You know it very well. Pi A from R multiplied by pi B from S minus pi AB from R. Then you fetch pi A. That pi A is subtract from original relation R. These are equivalent to this point. ये आपका क्या है? डिवीजन ऑपरेटर का एक्सपेंशन है. इसमें सबसे पहले A इज व्हाट? वॉट एवर वी वांट टू फाइंड, एंड B इज व्हाट? कंडीशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी हैव टू फाइंड एम्प्लॉय आईडी हु वर्क इन एवरी डिपार्टमेंट. तो A is what? Employee ID, and B is what? Working for every department. Okay. Yeah, who enrolled for a student point of view, retrieve the student roll number who enrolled, yeah, student ID who enrolled every course. In this manner you can find. Now here you can see option A or B. First of all, we take one example. We take brand ID. We take one table, that is brand, in which we take brand ID and brand name. Let us assume two brand, B1 and B2, American Tourister and Wildcraft. You take two brands, American Tourister and Wildcraft, and second one is what? Second one is what? On. One table is on table. In the on table we have employee ID and brand ID. So E1, let us assume, having both brand. E2 having only one brand. E3 having both brand. E3 having both brand. I will take this question with the help of practical example, so it will help you beta. Okay. Now आप देखिए इधर, आपके हिसाब से कौन सा ऐसा एम्प्लॉय आईडी है जिसने सभी ब्रांड ऑन किए हैं? E1 and E3. Now how I will get this question, how I will get the result here? You can see, first of all, what I do, I fetch employee ID from, you can say, here there are two table, on employee ID and brand ID, and brand ID. So here I am taking employee ID from the on table. First of all, employee ID from the on table multiplied by brand ID from brand minus by employee ID and brand ID from on table. Then you fetch by employee ID. That by employee ID will be subtract from all employees of on. Let us assume I have taken this example. मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया इधर, दो ब्रांड ले लिए हैं, B1 एंड B2. ब्रांड 1 अमेरिकन टूरिस्टर एंड ब्रांड 2 वाइल्ड क्राफ्ट, एंड तीन एम्प्लॉय ले लिए जिसमें से दो एम्प्लॉय ने सारे ब्रांड ऑन किए हैं. तो अब अपन इसको, जो आपका ऑप्शन बी है, पहली बात तो ऑप्शन बी एंड ए आर द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ डिवीजन ऑपरेटर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपन वी चेक फ्रॉम ऑप्शन बी माय डियर. नाउ हियर जब आप देखेंगे, व्हाट इज द एम्प्लॉय आईडी? Here we have employee ID of E1, E2 and E3. And what is the brand ID? B1 and B2. जब आप क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो 3 multiplied 2, 6 tuple you will get. Employee ID, brand ID, what you get? E1, B1, B2, E2, B1, B2, E3 B1 B2. Clear बच्चा? Now when you subtract from original relation EID BID, that is on table. On table, so what is the original relation of on table? Here you can see E1 B1, E1 B2, E2 having only B1, E3 having B1 and B2, both brand. E3 having both brand. So when you subtract, तो बच्चों आपको क्या मिलेगा? You will get E2 B2. You are getting employee ID and you are getting brand ID also, कि जिसमें उन्हें ऑन नहीं करता है. तो आप इधर देख रहे हो कि E2 है जो ब्रांड 2 ऑन नहीं करता है. सो इफ यू फैच ओनली employee ID, so what we get, my dear student, we will get here E2 only. So if this E2 and here this will return what? This will return E1, E2 and E3. When you subtract this value, that is E2, so what is the answer you will get? You are getting E1 and E3. You are getting E1 and E3 as a output. इसका मतलब क्या है? E1 और E3 वो एम्प्लॉय आईडी है जो सारे ब्रांड ऑन करते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर E1 B1 भी करता है, ब्रांड 2 भी करता है, E3 ब्रांड 1 भी करता है एंड 2 भी करता है. और बट E2, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, E2 ओनली ब्रांड 1. E2 नॉट कंटेन, E2 नॉट कंटेन, नॉट ऑन brand 2. E2 not on brand 2. So when you subtract, you will get the employee ID who on all the brands. So my dear student, you can see this query: by EID on BID brand minus same thing, and you are getting the employee ID who on all brand. So B is the correct answer, and A and B you can directly see. This is nothing expansion of the division operator. Here you can see I mention here, this is what expansion of the division operator. So my dear student, here A and B is the correct answer for this question, my dear student. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.